So our next example is sketching the graph of the function x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we're going to follow the steps we've listed in the previous video. So first thing is we're going to find the y-intercept. Okay, we're going to evaluate what f of 0 is. So this is easy. It's always going to be the constant term in our polynomial. Okay, so that means that 0, 6 is the y-intercept. There's always one because you can always evaluate f of 0. Y-intercept, it's possible that there aren't any y-intercept if the graph lies entirely above or below the x-axis. Okay, but anyway, to figure out if there are any x-intercept, we're going to solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We consider factoring first. Can we do this here? Well, product of 6 sum of minus 5. Yeah, I can do that. Minus 2 minus 3. So factoring is the fastest approach here. I would not recommend using the quadratic formula. Okay, it's going to take you more time. In addition, factoring is super easy because the coefficient in front of x squared is 1. So we can immediately write down our factors. X minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. So immediately we've got our x-intercepts. We've got 2, 0 and 3, 0 are the x-intercepts. Okay, that's pretty good. What's the vertex? We're going to take the average of the x-coordinates of the x-intercepts, 5/2, or in other words 2.5, and that's the x-coordinate of our vertex. We're going to evaluate at f of 5/2. So we plug it into our function. So this is going to be 5/2 squared, so 25/4 minus 5 times 5/2 minus 25/2 plus 6. So somehow I feel I'm going to need to put everything over 4 eventually. So I'll do that immediately. So 25/4 minus 25/2, that's minus 54th. Plus 24/4. So what is that? That's minus 25 plus 24. So this is minus 1/4. So which means that our vertex is 5/2 minus 1/4 is the vertex. Concavity. The coefficient of x squared is 1, so the function's concave up. So a is 1, which is bigger than 0, so which means that the function is going to be, the graph of the function is going to be concave up. And we're ready to sketch that graph. Okay, so we said what? 2 and 3 are the x-intercepts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Maybe minus 1 here. I know the vertex as a y-coordinate is minus 1/4, so I don't need to go too far down below. These are the two x-intercepts. What's the y-intercept again? I forgot. It's 0, 6. Oh, actually, I've got to go pretty high. 1, 2. So maybe, you know what? I'll go by steps of 2 instead. 2, 4, 6. So this is going to be minus 2. So my vertex would actually be even, if this is minus 1, would be even closer. Anyway, somewhere here. Like this. Let's sketch it. So it's important to be really flat at the vertex, not to have a sharp corner. Okay, so don't end up with something that looks like this. Okay, because a parabola does not have a sharp corner here. It's really flat, so you need to draw it so that you're pretty flat. And what I want you to do is indicate the coordinates of the important points to 0, and what's the this is 5/2 minus 1/4, and this guy is 0, 6, and we're done.